Well, I bought my first kayak when I was 10 years old. It was a pretty nice kayak. Caught tons of fish out of that. Later down the road, I upgraded to a nicer kayak, and that I decked out. I put a Graph trolling motor, big crate in the back for all my tackling rods. Caught tons of walleye, tons of bass, tons of fish out of that boat. Finally upgraded to this boat. Shout out to a good buddy of ours, Bryce, for hooking us up with this boat. This is my first actual boat. I'm gonna end up decking this boat out as well. I'm gonna put a big compartment up front for storage, repaint the inside and outside. Right now we just got a trolling motor on the back, but later down the road I might upgrade to a bigger motor. I'm gonna put some rod holders, put my Graph, like I said, repaint it. It's gonna be a nice boat. So what I've been doing for the last 3 hours is taking this wire brush to the inside and out. I got all the outside done, nice and smooth, ready to be spray painted. I got this part and this part all scrubbed down. I just got the rest of the front of the boat to do, and then we can start spray painting. But it is a process to get all this flaking paint off. Got to get it nice and smooth so you can put spray paint down on that, and then yeah, just keep scrubbing away.
Cue tracks.
Not good. Ouch. Oh, wow, that's bad. So I needed some way to mount my Graph to the boat. So I had this ram mount right here. Just this bottom part right here. So I took the arm off my metal detector, mounted it onto here. That was an armrest for my metal detector. I bolted it down onto the mount. So it's like that. And these already have slits in the sides. So I'm just gonna bolt the Graph onto it and then bolt it onto the boat. It's gonna work perfect. So I got it all mounted to that. It's gonna be perfect. Got it bolted to the sides. I think I'm gonna put it right here. This is gonna be perfect. Just gotta put a couple bolts down there. Got 5 cans of gray spray paint, 2 cans of red, some tape. Okay, last night we went to the store and got some supplies. Got this board right here, which is, yeah, that board, it's gonna go right here. And then we have wood to go right here. That's for the motor clamp. We bought a big piece of wood for the deck in the front. We still gotta get the edges better and get the front more pointy up there. We're gonna put carpet on this, and we're gonna put carpet on them 2 benches. What else? We got a bunch of spray paint. We got red and gray spray paint. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I gotta tape all the edges because we're gonna spray paint the inside. This, we did a little sample. This is what it's gonna look like in the inside. Another day out here working on the boat. I haven't filmed in a while, but we got this wood replaced back here. That's good. And the wood in the back, perfect for the trolling motor. We got my Graph mounted. Just a couple screws on that bracket. And it's perfect. We still have to figure something out about that transducer. But my batteries just got a strap. Goes right there. We got the benches all carpeted. Put some screws and some glue, and it's solid, sweet. We also put carpet on this one, but our main focus is this front right now. Don't mind this piece. What we're doing is we bolted some supports to the side, so my front bench is gonna be screwed down onto this and then screwed onto this. These are for supports. You can stand up there. Right now we got to take these bolts back out and put silicone on them, but right now we're taking sandpaper and flattening this edge so when it sits flatter. Gotta do that to that side too, and then vacuum this boat out. But I'm gonna put carpet on the deck. I'm gonna put the deck up here. That's about the only thing we got left.
Prospect.
Alright, it's the second time taking the boat out. We're out here at this lake. We got minnows, hoping to get on some crappie. There's some big crappie in this lake. Maybe catch some walleye. But just try out the boat for the first time with everything done to it. Should be fun. Pulling cranks. Dad hooked up with the first one. Please be a walleye. That'd be awesome. What do you have on?
That SS choked.
Oh, northern. I got plighters. Here. Rocket. That though.
Yeah, so I took my minnow.
Fish. Little crappie. First little crappie for me. Just got on a little beetle spin. Shallow.
3 crappie.
Little guy. Over 8 inches. Ow, golly, I forgot how sharp them stupid little fins are.
You did it? I think you had.
I think you had one.
Got ya?
Yeah, you got me. We cranked over to next pocket of weeds. I was like, that's not a crappie bite.
Pound.
Yeah.
What's your name? Go to that. Oh,
Ah,
no.
that's not good.
No. I can't do it.
No joke. Feels
It
like
didn't fight.
we were just cranking here. I got a little flicker shad on. Oh, it's got head shakes. Oh, it's a pike.
Is it?
Yeah. Did not feel like a pike.
Right. You go.
Yeah, there's a few reeds right there. Yeah, got a pretty good pike.
What is it? That's alright.
It's not rocket. Yeah, he took off swimming with it. That was a fish. Took off.
Like that.
That's big.
Oh, that is big. Stop it. Oh, dear. That is big.
That's big.
Here
Actually?
goes. Chase it down.
Tuna.
Got a harpoon? Oh my gosh.
Stout.
We're gonna be at the other end of the lake when he finishes us off.
Why? Oh my god.
Crankbait's gone. Oh.
Jeez, tank. Don't wreck the hooks if you can.
Hold it up and down. Ready?